welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious, refreshing key lime mousse tart for your summer get-togethers. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest videos. So let's put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking. To make your key lime mousse tart, you'll need a 1/4 cup of gold rum, 1½ teaspoons of unflavored gelatin, 4 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 2/3 cup of fresh lime juice, 2 tablespoons of lime zest, and 1 cup of heavy cream. And for the graham cracker crust, you'll need 8 whole graham crackers, 1/2 cup of sweetened coconut flakes, and 7 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. To get started, zest and squeeze the limes, then place them off to the side. Next, blend the graham crackers until finely ground, then blend in the coconut flakes. If some of the graham cracker pieces didn't blend entirely, you can always crush them using your hands. And if you don't like coconut flakes in your graham cracker crust, you can easily take them out. Pour the melted butter over the graham crackers and coconut flakes, then mix until it is moldable and press it into an 8-inch pan. Place your crust into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes or until golden brown. Pour your rum and gelatin in a small bowl and let it sit for 10 minutes to soften. Heading over to the stove, whisk the eggs, sugar, and lime juice in a medium saucepan over medium-high heat until the mixture thickens. This should take about 4 minutes. Remove it from the stove and add the gelatin mixture and stir until it's melted. Next, add and mix in the lime zest. Cover with plastic wrap and place it into the refrigerator for 30 minutes to cool but not set. In your electric mixer, whip the heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. Then gently fold it into the lime mixture. Pour your delicious filling into the crust. Cover it again with plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator for about 3 hours or overnight to set. Pipe some whipped cream along the end. And sprinkle toasted coconuts and lime zest. Now you're ready to enjoy your next get-together with this refreshing key lime mousse tart. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest videos. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe, and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a fun time making the key lime mousse tart, and I hope you did as well. If you recreate this tart or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone is staying safe and well. Enjoy your key lime mousse tart and have a great day. Bye!